natural health for beginners.
How to make carrot oil for skin and hair. In this video, you'll learn a simple and effective method to create carrot oil at home, which is great for both your skin and hair. Carrot oil is rich in beta-carotene, vitamins A and E, and antioxidants that nourish and rejuvenate skin and hair. Let's dive into the ingredients, their quantities, and the step-by-step process. Ingredients: 2 large carrots. Fresh and organic carrots are preferred to extract maximum nutrients. 1 cup of carrier oil. You can use oils like olive oil, coconut oil, or jojoba oil depending on your preference. Olive oil is great for deep moisture, while coconut oil has antibacterial properties. Vitamin E capsule, optional. This can be added for extra skin and hair benefits. Tools you'll need: grater or food processor, a small saucepan or double boiler, fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, glass jar for storage. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Grate the carrots. Start by washing and peeling your carrots. Use a grater or a food processor to shred the carrots into small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the easier it will be to extract the nutrients into the oil. Step 2. Heat the oil. Pour 1 cup of your chosen carrier oil into a saucepan. Use a low heat to gently warm the oil. Do not let it boil, as high temperatures can destroy the nutrients. If you're using a double boiler, this method is even better for a gentle infusion. Step 3. Add the grated carrots. Add the grated carrots to the oil. Stir well to ensure all the carrot shreds are coated in the oil. Continue to heat the mixture on low heat for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Make sure to stir occasionally. You'll notice the oil will take on a light orange color as the carrot's nutrients infuse into the oil. Step 4. Strain the mixture once the oil has cooled down. Use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to strain the carrot oil into a clean glass jar. Make sure to press the grated carrots to extract as much oil as possible. Step 5. Add vitamin E, optional. If you want to enhance the shelf life and benefits of the oil, you can add a vitamin E capsule. Simply pierce the capsule and squeeze the oil into the jar of carrot oil. Step 6. Store the oil. Store your carrot oil in a cool, dark place in an airtight glass container. It can last for up to 2 months when stored properly. Usage tips. For skin, apply a small amount of carrot oil to your skin as a moisturizer. It helps reduce fine lines and adds a natural glow. For hair, use it as a hair mask by massaging it into your scalp and hair before washing. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes to deeply condition and nourish your hair. Making carrot oil at home is simple, cost-effective, and highly beneficial for both your skin and hair. With just a few ingredients and steps, you'll have a versatile beauty oil that you can use regularly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY skincare and haircare recipes.